Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Microsoft has integrated Copilot AI in Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint and other. Users can access it by clicking the Copilot icon in the toolbar. The purpose is to make work easier and improve the productivity with the power of AI. Although it's a nifty feature, there could be a group of users who are not happy with this integration and would like to disable Copilot in Microsoft 365 suite apps. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to do that. First, open any application from Microsoft 365 suite. For this video, let's open Word. Click on the options on the left panel. You will see options window. Here switch to Copilot tab and uncheck the box for enable Copilot. Click OK and restart the app. And now you will see that Copilot option is grayed out and non-functional. Just like that, you need to repeat the steps for other apps available in the Office 365 suite. As simple as that. With these steps, you have full control whether you want to remove Copilot from particular app or all the apps. I hope this helps, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.